Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to For Real, your go-to channel for all things lifestyle and fashion. I'm Anna, and today we've got something exciting to chat about. TEMU Clothes. Are they a steal or should you steer clear? Stick around because we're diving deep into this topic. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button if you're as curious as we are about TEMU Clothes. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest fashion insights. And hey, drop a comment down below with your thoughts on budget-friendly fashion. All right, let's get started. First up, let's talk about TEMU's business model. TEMU offers affordable clothing, shoes, accessories, and home goods. They promise factory direct prices by cutting out the middlemen and sourcing directly from manufacturers. That means prices up to 70% lower than major American retailers. But here's the catch. They have less control over product quality, relying on manufacturers to meet their standards. Now let's dig into how TEMU sources its products and maintains quality control. TEMU claims to rigorously vet its manufacturing partners and inspect products at the factory level. But details about these partnerships and quality control processes are limited. They primarily use inexpensive materials like polyester and cotton blends. While this keeps costs low, it raises questions about durability and craftsmanship. Moving on, we'll take a look at what customers have to say about TEMU Clothes. Overall, customer sentiment seems to be a mix of positive and negative. Positive feedback: extremely affordable prices compared to mall brands, decent quality for disposable fashion items, great for outfit basics like t-shirts, leggings, jeans, fast shipping from US warehouses, easy returns and exchanges. Negative feedback: poor fabric quality, pills tears easily. Items sometimes damaged or flawed. Sizing very inconsistent, often runs small. Some complaints of odor in clothes. Customer service can be slow to respond. Many budget-conscious shoppers say TEMU meets expectations for ultra-low-cost apparel suitable for occasional wear. But those expecting lasting quality are often disappointed with the hit-or-miss fabric durability. Let's break it down further and explore TEMU's clothing categories. TEMU offers various clothing categories, each with its pros and cons. TEMU tops. Good. Cute styles at $5 to $15. Bad. Fabric pills easily, sizing inconsistent. Verdict: suitable for basic tees and blouses, but may not last long. TEMU bottoms. Good. Affordable leggings, jeans, and dress pants for $10 to $25. Bad. Some issues with stitching, non-stretch jeans and leggings pilling. Verdict: leggings prone to pilling, jeans vary in quality and fit. TEMU dresses. Good, beautiful styles at $20 to $30. Bad, low-quality fabric, sizing issues, poor construction. Verdict: affordable for occasional use, but may not withstand frequent wear. TEMU athletic wear. Good, inexpensive workout gear for $10 to $25. Bad, quick pilling, not suitable for intense workouts. Verdict: okay for casual wear, not for high-intensity exercise. TEMU outerwear. Good, lowest prices for coats and jackets. Bad, poor construction, inconsistent sizing, not for daily use. Verdict: decent for occasional light use, not durable for daily wear. So here's the big question. Is TEMU's quality consistent across the board? Well, it's a bit all over the place. Some folks are happy with the basic stuff like t-shirts and leggings, but there are lots of complaints too. Reports of damaged items, bad stitching, and sizing problems are pretty common. So if you're okay with taking a bit of a gamble on your fashion and dealing with potential returns, TEMU might work for you on less important wardrobe pieces. But if you're looking for top-notch quality, it might not be your best bet. Now, let's see how TEMU stacks up against other discount clothing marketplaces. Reviews suggest that TEMU's quality is on par or slightly below competitors like Shein and Wish. But TEMU offers faster shipping and slightly better return policies. All right, we're at the final stretch. Should you consider buying TEMU Clothes? It all depends on your needs. TEMU is great for affordable, trendy pieces, but it may not be the best choice for long-lasting staples. Remember to read reviews carefully, order multiple sizes, and check out with PayPal for added protection. For shoppers on an extreme budget, TEMU provides plenty of cute options. Just keep quality expectations firmly in check and take full advantage of returns if needed. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for joining us today to unravel the mystery of TEMU Clothes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to For Real, and leave us a comment down below. We love hearing from you. And of course, stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, take care, stay stylish, and keep rocking your unique fashion.